Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to know your location in Google Maps. And now let's dive right in. Now to know your location in your Google Maps, first open up your Google Map application on your phone. And after you have opened your Google Map application, guys, you will be shown like this. And if you are on any other location than your current location, then suppose you are far away, in order to know your location on your Google Maps, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there are two icons. One, there is a blue box with the arrow icon, and another one just above it there is the white circle with a dark circle inside it. Over here will be required to tap on the white circle with the dark circle icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, just above blue box with the direction arrow. And with that being done, guys, your location will be shown to you like this. And if you swipe up the down menu, which appears whenever we tap on the GPS location system, so let's go back and suppose we are here again. Let's tap on the GPS icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, just above the blue box icon, and you can see your location will be shown to you. And if you tap on the blue dot, which is your location will be shown you like this, guys, where you will be able to view all of the things that are in your area. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to know your location on Google Map. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.